MariaDB with Amazon S3 Cloud Backup is now available on the AWS Marketplace. This solution enables seamless database management, offering daily backups directly to Amazon S3 for enhanced data security and convenience. This is designed to assist you in seamlessly integrating MariaDB into your AWS environment through detailed step-by-step instructions. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the MariaDB with Amazon S3 Cloud Backup and click Continue to subscribe. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration. Choose the CloudFormation template as the fulfillment option. Select your preferred region and click Continue to launch. From the Choose Action drop-down, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch. Ensure the template is ready is selected. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Set database SSH location. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Choose an instance type, which we recommend T3 small. Select your preferred key name. Enter a name of your choice for the MariaDB database. Enter a strong password for MariaDB password. Enter a name for the MariaDB user. Provide a S3 bucket name. Set SSH location, subnet CIDR block, and VPC CIDR block. Click Next. Choose Stack Failure options and click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Tick the checkbox and click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. To obtain the IP address, navigate to the Outputs tab and look for Public IP. Open MySQL Workbench and click Set Up New Connection button. Enter a connection name and provide the IP address as the host name. You can access the database via port 3306. Use MariaDB user as the username and MariaDB password as the password. which were entered during the creation of the CloudFormation stack. Experience the full potential of MariaDB with seamless Amazon S3 Cloud Backup integration.